Hello, I'm a UEP student and this video will contain our laboratory examination. So, first, this video will contain the multi-factor authentication with email using Google SMTP and SMS verification using Twilio for SMS. So, first, kailangan po muna nating mag-register sa Twilio. So, once na nakapag-register na tayo sa Twilio, meron na rin po tayong may free trial na tayo dito. So, we can use this as for verification. And this the account is ID, out token, and the Twilio phone number that we are going to use in our code para verify yung ating ilalagin and register na email. So here we are going to .env and we will paste here the Twilio SID, Twilio token, and the Twilio phone number. So, punta na tayo sa ating website. So here, inopen ko na rin po pala yung ating control panel, the SAMP, para makita natin yung database natin. So, may na-register na tayo dito. So, again, kailangan ko lang ulit na mag-register ng ibang account para makita kung paano ba ma-verify o kung mag-verify ba ito sa ating Google account or the Gmail account, tapos mag-SMS verification. So, we are going to register first. I'm going to use another email. Okay, my email. Ito po yung email na aking gagamitin. Then, contact number na aking ilalagay. So, yung update na number po kailangan dito para mai-send at ma-receive yung code. Then, the password of your email. So, yan. Then, check this, I'm not a robot. Connected pa rin po itong laboratory exam namin sa reCAPTCHA. Then, go to register. And, we're going to try na i-log in. Check the password. And check natin kung may nag-verify na ba or nag-send. So, ito na po there's something error here. Oh, baka mali lang po yung email na nagamit. So, I'm going back. But I don't know why. So, again, I will reset. Going to, i-register ko na ulit yung aking isang email. Kung saan yung nailagay kong email dito sa ating ENV, which is this, the email. So, I'm going to try again. Same password. Already been taken. So I'm going to use another number. This number is 0985062033. Then the same password here. Then register. Got it again. So we're going to log in. Then again, mag-verify ang ating OTP sa ating Gmail. And here, the verification ng OTP natin. It's 551377. Sir, I can't. Siguro sir, may mali lamang po akong hindi naayos sa aking code, but I think nagawa ko naman po kung paano po mag-verify ng SMS verification OTP from here. So hanggang dito na naman po siguro ako. At least po pinakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po magpa-verify ng ating OTP. So, I think hanggang dun na lamang po ako ngayon. Pero sana po may score pa rin po itong video na to. So, that's it po. Thank you.